Yes.
Morning to one and all. Respected Principal Sir, honorable guests, respected Headmistress Ma'am, teachers, and my dear students. I welcome you all to our much awaited annual sports meet, the primary section. Today is a day of energy, excitement, and competition. Sports teaches discipline, teamwork, confidence. It also teaches us to try our best, cheer for our friends, and above all, never give up. To officially begin the program, I now invite our beloved Headmistress Ma'am to deliver the welcome address. Ma'am, please grace us with your words.
If you maintain discipline, you will enjoy. Yes, very good. You all students are very good. So thank you, Miss Bhavna, for giving me opportunity to welcome the guest. And really, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all on this auspicious occasion. It is festive occasion and the children are very enthusiastic with great sports spirit. They are waiting for their games and events. So sports is integral part of our school curriculum, and it is not only conducting annual sports but in our daily timetable sports physical education periods are there, and children are trained by our teachers. They put their efforts and energy to make our children happy and fit physically also, as academically we put our efforts to make them strong in their intellectual. So it is very honored situation for me to welcome you all the guests and whoever present here. So on this auspicious occasion, I take this opportunity to welcome each and everyone present here. First of all, I am honored to welcome our esteemed chief guest, very dynamic, young, talented, but very simple, very sportive, very cordial, and very helpful person, Shri Vinod Kumar Kariji, Technical Officer E, Horticulture and Cosmetic Maintenance Engineer in charge, DCSM Anushakti Nagar. Sir, your presence inspires us, and it is going to motivating our students as well as our staff members also. And I take this opportunity to thank you also. Whenever AECS 3 Mumbai approach you for any issue related to our school maintenance, so you wholeheartedly support us, help us and guide us also. So thank you so much for your kind support and your positivity for AECS 3 Mumbai family, and really we are truly grateful. Thank you sir once again for accepting our invitation, sparing your valuable time. I know that, and sir was also discussing with me that you are so busy and put your heart and soul for your office work. You don't find time during your office work, but on Sunday or on holidays, if you are invited, happily you accept the invitation because you wanted to give more than 100% to your office work. So morning, you have given us your special time. Thank you so much, and coming over here and inspiring our students. So I take this opportunity to request our principal sir to welcome Kari sir with the potted plant. I also extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to the guest of honor of today's function, Shri Anil Ahire Sir, Scientific Assistant E and former in charge of PTM 1 and 2 Western Sector DCACM Anushakti Nagar. And sir, I still remember when I was in school 6, I used to trouble you lot for school related work. Whenever complaint was given to your section, so immediately you responded and you help, and you were always very cooperative. And here also I heard for school 3 also you extended the same support. So I welcome you sir and thank you for your cooperation and help. I request our Vice Principal Sir, Shri Bandu Meshram ji, to welcome Ahire Sir with a potted plant. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Anil sir and Vice Principal sir. I further welcome Shri Subhash Chaudhary ji. Subhash Chandar Chaudhary ji, a very simple, cooperative and very positive person. And I know that so many times I troubled when I was in school 6. That time also I was troubling for gardening and grass cutting and plant related work. And sir was very happily with smiling face. He was coming to school and whatever our requirement was there, our issues were there, sir used to help us and solve it. Same thing I am experiencing in school 3 also. So whenever I give call to sir or send a message, so sir responds immediately and the work is done. I would like to mention here, when we plan to organize our primary annual sports in this ground, and 2 days back we along with principal sir and sports team we visited this place. So grass was overgrown and in between the ground was uneven. I just called Subhaji and told ki we are going to conduct a sports event in this ground and it should be trimmed, grass should be cut and the ground should be level properly. Sir said yes, ho jayega madam. And by the evening same day sir sent a person and now you can see how ground is looking beautiful so that our children will enjoy their game. Thank you Subhash ji. I request our sports in charge Shri Nandakishore ji to welcome Subhash ji with a potted plant. Thank you Subhash ji. Thank you Nandakishore. I also extend my warm welcome to all the teachers, all the staff members present over here and all my dear students. So welcome to one and all. And before concluding my welcome speech, I would like to say all of you, my dear students, so today is your day, so you give best to your sports. It is playing is important, participation is very much important, winning is a different part. Today you win or lose, that is different thing, but you should give your best 100% to the game and you play with team spirit, with great happiness and with great enthusiasm. And once again, all the best to all my dear students, and thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for addressing the gathering and welcoming our guests. Now I humbly invite our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Vinod Kumar Karri, to address the gathering and share some inspiring thoughts with our young champions.
Thank you, ma'am. Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, my colleagues, teachers of AACS number 3 and my dear students. हिंदी में बोल सकता हूँ बच्चों, हिंदी में बोलूँ? ये जो स्पोर्ट्स है ना, स्पोर्ट्स लाइफ में बहुत कुछ सिखाता है। और कोई बता सकता है स्पोर्ट्स में फर्स्ट आना ज़रूरी है क्या? नहीं, नहीं, फर्स्ट आना ज़रूरी नहीं है, ठीक है। पार्टिसिपेशन इज़ मोर इम्पोर्टेंट। आपको पार्टिसिपेट करना है और उसमें अपनी ताकत लगानी है। पढ़ाई तो सभी करते हैं, बट स्पोर्ट्स ऐसी चीज़ है जिसमें आप पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे तो आपको लाइफ में बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस फेस करने की ताकत मिलेगी। ओके, एंड आई टेक दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू थैंक everyone here to invite us, and I wish all the best to all students. Students, hip hip, hip hip, hip hip. Okay, मैं आपके लिए गाना गाऊंगा, चलेगा? I'll take 1 minute. देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई, बारिश है या आसमान में खोल दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं, हो हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए चलो चलो नए खाब भूल ले, बम बम भोले, बम बम भोले। थैंक यू, थैंक यू, लव यू ऑल, ब्लेस यू ऑल, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Thank you very much for the encouraging words. You really have a really nice voice, sir. Next, I would like to request our respected principal, sir, to address the audience and I would like to invite our today's guest of honor, Shri Anil Ahire, to encourage our students.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, all of you student. आज जैसे सर ने जो गाना गाया है, ऐसे लगता है कि हम लोग भी आपके साथ में बैठे, और सर ने जैसे कहा है कि हमें बस एंजॉय करना है और खेलना है। फर्स्ट लास्ट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट, खेलना इम्पॉर्टेंट है। और आप जैसे मासूम बच्चों के सामने इतना प्राउड फील हो रहा है कि हम हमारी उम्र भूल रहे हैं, और आपके आगे के भविष्य के लिए और आज के स्पोर्ट्स के लिए आपको शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू सर।
Thank you very much, sir, for your inspiring words. Now, I would like to
Here, I would like to take this opportunity to thank our beloved principal, Shri Vijay Kumar Shukla ji, for all the guidance, all the support, and always being with us. Very sportive, very dynamic, but very enthusiastic and very helpful, cooperative, and always there to every staff member. To guide, support, and to create something out of the box. Thank you so much, sir. And I also thank our Vice Principal, Shri Bandu Beshram ji, sir. He is always with us. With any proposal, we go to him. Positively, he responds and always there to support us. Thank you, sir, for your guidance and support. Thank you. Now I request Principal, sir. अच्छा, सुभाष जी सर।
Respected principal sir, VP HM मैडम, करी सर, विनोद सर, अनिल सर, और यहाँ पे उपस्थित सभी स्कूल नंबर 3 के टीचर्स और डियर स्टूडेंट्स। जैसा अभी करी साहब ने बोला, अनिल साहब ने बोला कि आप कौन सा पोजीशन पे आएंगे, फर्स्ट आएंगे, सेकंड आएंगे, वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, वो सेकेंडरी है। सब लोग पूरे जोश से पार्टिसिपेट करो, एंजॉय करो। और करी सर ने भी पूरा आपको जो थोड़ा सुस्ती आ रही होगी या नींद आ रही होगी वो निकल गई है, बच्चे पूरे जोश में आ गए। तो और आगे के लिए आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू।
Thank you very much, sir, for your inspiring words. Now, I would like to request our respected principal, sir, to address the audience and motivate our students with his encouraging words.
Thank you, Bhavna Madam. Respected our Chief Guest of the Day, Shri Kari Vinod Kumar ji, Technical Officer RE, and the Engineer in charge of Horticulture and Cosmetic Maintenance section of DCSEM. Respected Anil Hire sir, respected Subhash Chandra ji. This team, we should celebrate actually their presence. This is a blessing of God. I feel that the people who are the ones who have maintained this ground, who have maintained this premises, ACS 3 premises, who are the people whose contribution is there every time to maintain our infrastructure. They people are there with us. I feel our students will surely get the inspiration from the works that our guests are doing, and they also in coming time will certainly do such remarkable things in their life which will affect others, which will benefit the ordinary people. Today is a special day. Sports events, competition are going to begin. I wish you the best, and I also feel that the sports facilities which are available at Anushakti Nagar are of great standard. I request you all that please identify your interest and talent and start taking practice. There are many things available in the school and outside the school, especially Anushakti Nagar Sports Management Committee is also doing a great job. Many of you are already taking sports coaching, etc. I wish and I hope that in coming time, majority of our students will certainly nourish their talent and interest in the sports related things, and certainly will do the great things. And after some years, आप में से जरूर कोई ना कोई एक ऐसा व्यक्ति निकलेगा जिसके साथ हम गर्व के साथ बोलेंगे देखो उसके साथ मैंने स्कूल में वक्त बिताया है. तो शुभकामनाएं, ग्रेट, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you very much, sir. As a token of gratitude, our principal sir would now like to present a thank you card to our honorable guests.
अरुण सर, अरुण सर, अरुण सर, अरुण सर, आप ज्वाइन हो गए.
इस ओकेजन के लिए उन सभी रिक्वेस्ट के लिए बहुत छोटा शब्द है थैंक यू. हमने जितनी बार आपको परेशान किया है आप हमें थैंक यू. बहुत छोटा शब्द है बट हम हमारी फीलिंग्स के साथ आपको ग्रेटिट्यूड.
Invite Kishore sir. He will brief us about today's events.
Thank you, Bhavna ma'am. Event for class first and second के लिए तो ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही इवेंट है सभी. 30 मीटर्स रन, 25 मीटर्स फ्रॉग रेस, 20 मीटर्स हॉपिंग रेस ऑन बोथ लेग, एंड लास्ट इवेंट है आपका बेटा पोटैटो रेस 30 मीटर्स. ओके, नाउ इवेंट्स फॉर क्लास 4 के लिए 100 मीटर रन, 50 मीटर्स हॉपिंग रेस ऑन वन लेग, स्टैंडिंग ब्रॉड जंप, एंड फोर्थ इवेंट है आपका बॉल थ्रो. देन क्लास 5 के लिए 100 मीटर रन, skipping rope, standing broad jump, and ball throw. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I request our chief guest to kindly declare the annual sports meet 2025 open.
हो गया, बस 2 मिनट में डिक्लेयर हो जाएगा। बच्चों इधर देखो। I declare the annual sports of primary section of Atomic Energy Central School number 3, Mumbai, open.
Children will be arranged to pick the standard there.